In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ActiveCampaign email automation sequences. ActiveCampaign is a powerful tool for creating email marketing automations that save you time and boost your engagement. Let's dive into how to set up your first email automation sequence. First, from your ActiveCampaign dashboard, you'll want to begin by clicking on Automations in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for setting up everything we'll discuss today. Once you're there, select Create an Automation to start fresh. Opt for the Start from Scratch option, then click Continue to proceed. Next, we'll need to choose a Start trigger. This is essentially the event that will prompt ActiveCampaign to kick off your email sequence. Common triggers you can choose include when someone subscribes to a list, a tag is added, a purchase is made, or even when a form is submitted. For instance, you might select Subscribes to a list and then choose your newsletter or lead magnet list. Once you've decided, click Add Start to finalize your trigger choice. Now that we have our sequence starting point, it's time to draft the first email. To do this, click the plus icon, then choose Send an Email. Give your email a meaningful name and use the intuitive email builder with its drag and drop functionality to design it. You'll want to include key elements like a compelling subject line, a personalized greeting, valuable content, and a clear call to action. A top tip is to create a warm welcome and establish clear value from the outset. To ensure that your emails have the right flow and aren't overwhelming, we will add wait steps in between. To do this, click the plus icon again and choose Conditions and Workflow, then select Wait. For example, you might let the system wait one day before sending the next email. This strategic pacing helps maintain a natural rhythm, keeping your audience engaged without being too aggressive. Continuing with this pattern, you can build out your sequence. Repeat the cycle of sending an email and then waiting until you conclude with End Automation. An illustrative sequence might include a welcome email to introduce your brand, a value email to provide useful information, a trust email to share customer stories or testimonials, followed by an offer email, and finally, a reminder email to encourage action. An advanced feature in ActiveCampaign is the ability to add tags and segmentation. This means you can automatically tag contacts based on actions such as opened welcome email or clicked offer link. Go to Conditions and Workflow and select Add a Tag to easily manage this. This allows you to personalize and optimize future campaigns, targeting each segment more effectively. For even more dynamic sequences, consider using if-else logic. This option allows you to tailor emails based on a contact's behavior. For example, if someone clicks a link, you might send an upsell email. If not, follow up with